In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Google form history. This is a particularly useful skill if you often find yourself needing to review responses you've submitted to forms, ensuring you know exactly what information you've shared. So let's dive right in and make you a Google form history checking expert. First up, we'll need to access our Google form. For this, simply head over to the Google Forms website. You'll be prompted to sign in if you're not already. Enter your email address, click next, then type in your password and hit sign in. It's a straightforward process, ensuring that you're securely logging into your Google account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the specific Google form you're interested in. If you've got a lot, it might take a moment to find the one you're looking for, but once you do, click on it to open it up. With your form open, it's time to head into the settings to find the history. Look for the settings option and click on it. This will open up a new set of options related to your form's configuration. Now within the settings menu, you'll want to click on the responses tab. This is where Google Forms aggregates all the responses your form has received, including yours. Here's where it gets a bit more intricate. You'll see a drop down menu, click on the first one. This action will bring up several filtering options for your responses. In the options that have just appeared, click on verified. This particular option ensures you're looking at responses that have been verified by Google, adding an extra layer of authenticity to the data you're viewing. Next, you'll notice a second drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on that one. This further refines how you view the responses. By selecting Always from this menu, you're ensuring that you set up your viewing preferences to always show the verified responses, making it easier for future navigation. Lastly, it's key to understand that after you submit a response to a Google form, submitting a history of your answer right after you've sent it essentially acts as a backup copy of what you've submitted. It's a smart way to keep a record, especially for important forms. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently check your Google form history, ensuring that you're always on top of the information you've submitted. This can be incredibly useful for both personal and professional use, giving you a clear overview of your submitted data. Remember, keeping track of the information you share online is important, and with this handy guide, you're well equipped to do just that.